Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and I'm so excited because today I am going to lay down some of my stickers, the January monthly kit from Shine Sticker Studio. This is just 2 pages, the top washi and the decorative boxes, and I'm going to use it in my Hobonichi A5 cousin Avec. I am secretly so happy that you all wanted to see all the parts of me setting up this planner because I want to do it and I wanted to show you guys all of it, and I just wanted to hang out with you while I did it. So, the virtual hangout. So these stickers I ordered from Shine Sticker Studio because I'm obsessed. If you're new, this is my new thing and I can't stop. So if you have a support group, please help me. Please help me. I ordered the monthly kits for the Erin Condren, and I'm using them in my Hobonichi cousin for 2020. And it does take some finagling, so I just trim them down. Like I trim the day boxes off that top washi. And then I was just figuring out where I could use the decorative bottom washi in my spread. And since there was 2 free boxes left from December on that January spread, I just made a little mark where I could trim it and still have the things that I really wanted to include, which was, of course, Luna and Star. But I do use the little penguin soon. So when you're trimming the stickers, just be careful that you don't trim through the day covers because we will use those. Excuse my hair. It is clean. It looks greasy, but it's clean. It's wet. I was waiting for it to dry so that I could get ready to go to my son's fall party at school. I had 24 hours notice that they needed help and to prepare craft for 24 kits and the supplies. Ready, set, go. We got it done. So, wet hair is what you get in this video. And my big old fat head in the way. So anyways, I measured the other 2 squares to be able to fit Star on the sled because I died over how cute Star on the sled going down the hill is. I just think it's this cute. This kit is so cute that I literally can't handle it. You hear me gush about it all the time, but I measured the boxes for the days of the week, and they're just a shade over 1.25 inches. So I took my ruler and I kind of centered the day within like 1.25 inches and made a little notch, and then I just trimmed each of those so that they were 1.25 inches wide instead of how wide they are, as they come for the Erin Condren. And then that's super easy, and then I just use them to plop down over my days. Now they don't fill the boxes like completely like they would, on an Erin Condren, but I don't care. I really like it. I think it's super cute. And it's not precise, but that honestly doesn't bother me. I just, like I said, think it's so cute. And I got all of these monthly kits on the clearance section on the website, so I thought that was a steal. I won't even try and pretend that I wouldn't have bought them if they weren't on clearance. I mean, maybe I would have taken longer to think about it, but we all know what the end result would have been. Them coming to my house. I'm unstoppable. Oh, somebody help me. So the the days of the week covers, like I said, they don't fit the boxes completely because they're not made for this planner, but I like that it's not completely perfect. The name of the game in the stickering planner world is obsessive compulsive. So I'm trying to not be obsessive compulsive about this and just, go with the flow. So I did the same thing with the holidays that they provided on there, and I trimmed them to just a shade over 1.25 inches, and I put them at the bottom of the boxes. And then I end up moving them up towards the top, later, because what I do if my kids are off of school, I mark that using either a strip of washi or what I've been liking lately in my pocket, especially because I don't have a lot of room, not much real estate in a pocket. I use a mild liner and I just highlight across the days that they're home. So this is the end of their holiday break. So I was just highlighting the days that they're still home. And in my monthlies, I live and die by my color code. I used to also in my weeklies. But now I've gotten a little bit more so that I can let go of it in the weeklies, but I still need it desperately in my monthlies because as you'll see, like, not right now so much, but it gets busier and busier. And there's a lot of stuff written down and I just need that color code to keep me straight. So I'm using my Uni Jetstream. I ordered this from Jet Pens and it's the 0.5. It's the same pen that comes in your Hobonichi order, except it's not the multi-pen version, because the first time I tried that pen, I was like, I love this pen. I love how thin it is, but it writes really nicely and it's not at all scratchy. And it was love. So I figured out what it was and I ordered a bunch of them. Not a bunch, but a couple cute colors. And then I just am finishing writing in that stuff. And since it's like a ballpoint kind of, it doesn't smear when I highlight with my mild liners, which is key for me because like gels and all the other stuff will smear when I highlight with my mild liners. And that's how I color code, is with highlighting with my mild liners. So I have tried I have a few different multi-pens with different colored inks, which I thought was going to be the solution to all my problems. But what I have now is too scratchy and I'm just not a fan. So I just went back to my Uni Jetstream and my mild liners, which is hard for me to beat. I love it. And then I'm taking the decorative boxes and I'm making my own little sections at the bottom for this month and next month. I used those flags that are connected to like pay bill and appointment because I knew I wasn't going to use all of those boxes because I just wasn't. And so I wanted to use some of those flags to make little kind of lists. And so I think if you look at the kits, and try and figure out how you can use them, there's really a lot of things that you can sort of deconstruct and use in your own way. At least there was for me. So I don't even know if I'll use this really, but I just wanted to use the stickers because I thought they were so cute. So that's basically why I did it. But I'm just making little, boxes. And then I actually cut apart the Luna and Star drinking cocoa. I know, crazy, right? But I just didn't have a good place for that big sticker. So I cut them in the middle and then rounded the corners and used them each as individual deco pieces. And I think it actually worked pretty well. And then I'm trimming up those other little labels that say next month. And then I think I use a notes one. And there's Star with her little cup of cocoa, and I put her up there. And I kind of put them on places where I knew that we were still on Christmas break, so we weren't going to be busy. So, I wasn't going to need a lot of space in those boxes because I just did want all the deco because it's so adorable. And, if I need to peel it up, I can peel it up. That was actually the surprising and really amazing part of these stickers is I peeled them up a couple times and it worked perfectly, even on the Tomoe River paper, which is really thin. So, I was impressed. And then I'm taking the birch trees and I'm sticking them in the other little corner there and trimming off the excess and then rounding the corners. And what else am I going to do here? I'm so in love with this. I used the little notes banner that they provide you. For all of the kits, monthly kits that I bought, I just bought I bought whatever was on the top washi sheet that had the name of the month, and then whatever was on the decorative box sheet. I was like, I'll make whatever is on there work because those are the main parts that I want, the decoration and the name of the month. And then I took that Luna sticker. Oh, she's like dancing in the snowflakes. And I was like, I can use this. Somehow I can use this. So I rounded the corners and I put it in the middle of the spread on like a Wednesday, kind of in between 2 Wednesdays. Wednesdays are pretty slow for us, so I'm hoping that I won't regret that, but I can always move it. And then I didn't want my other little penguin to go to waste, so I rounded the corners on him. That was the part that I cut off of the top washi, or the bottom decorative washi. And so I used him as a little decoration in the spread, and these are the pieces that I have left to finish the spread when January finally comes. I think it turned out so cute, you guys. Tell me what you think, and if you would consider, finagling your own EC kit for your own uses, I think it went really well, and that it was clearance was even better. So thanks, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.